Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast issue on iPhone after updating to new version. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, reduce your screen brightness. The brighter the screen, the more battery it uses. Lowering the screen brightness can help conserve battery life. So for this, open control center and reduce your screen brightness. So after this, the next solution is turn off unnecessary features. Disabling features such as Bluetooth, location services, and Wi-Fi when not in use can help extend battery life. So for this, go to settings, open Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth if you are not using this. Scroll down, scroll down. Tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, turn off location services here, and then go back. And then after this, the next solution is disable background app refresh. This feature allows apps to refresh content in the background, but it also drains the battery life. So for this, go to settings, scroll down and go to general, go to background app refresh, tap to turn this off. After this, go back, and then the next solution is update your all apps. Make sure all your apps are up to date, as updates can include bug fixes that may help improve battery life. So for this, go to App Store. Sorry for the slow internet. So tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So here you can see this, guys, here are my apps are not updated. So update all your apps here. So guys, after this updating your apps, the next solution is reset your iPhone settings. If all else fails, try resetting your iPhone to its default settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings here. So guys, after this, the next solution is, and the last solution, update your iPhone to the latest next version. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update and wait for check for update. So guys, I have the latest version updated on my iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your battery issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.